Planet Earth. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, life thrives in a breathtaking tapestry of ecosystems. Yet within this magnificent panorama there exists a darker side where beauty often conceals danger. This is the world of Earth's most dangerous animals. Section 2, a grim tally animal encounters gone wrong. Each year, millions of people worldwide fall victim to encounters with dangerous animals. Mosquitoes alone are responsible for over 1 million deaths annually, transmitting deadly diseases. Venomous snakes claim over 100,000 lives each year, while crocodiles and hippos account for hundreds more. These figures represent not just numbers, but individual lives lost and communities forever impacted. In this documentary, we explore the fascinating and often fearsome world of Earth's most dangerous creatures. From the inland taipan to the black mamba, we delve into the lives of venomous snakes. We encounter deadly spiders like the Brazilian wandering spider and the black widow. Our journey takes us from the Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, witnessing the power of big cats and ancient reptiles. Section 4, our quest for knowledge and survival. By understanding the science behind venom, predation, and disease transmission, we can better appreciate the risks involved in human-animal interactions. This knowledge empowers us to coexist more peacefully with these creatures, minimizing dangerous encounters. Join us as we explore Earth's most dangerous animals, highlighting the importance of conservation and the delicate balance of life. Silent strikers, the world of venomous snakes. These predators play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems worldwide. Their venom, a complex cocktail of toxins, is used for both hunting prey and defending against threats. In this section, we delve into the world of venomous snakes, focusing on the inland taipan, the black mamba, and the king cobra. The inland taipan, king among killers. Deep within Australia resides a snake so venomous that a single bite can kill over 100 humans. The inland taipan's venom is primarily composed of neurotoxins, leading to rapid paralysis and death. Despite its deadly venom, the inland taipan is shy and reclusive, preferring to avoid contact with humans. Bites are extremely rare, often occurring when the snake is accidentally stepped on or handled. This creature embodies both the awe-inspiring power and inherent danger of the natural world. The black mamba lightning-fast death. In the African savanna, the black mamba reigns supreme with its speed, aggression, and potent venom. It can move at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest snakes on Earth. When threatened, it can strike with lightning speed, delivering multiple bites in rapid succession. The venom is primarily neurotoxic, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and cardiac arrest. The black mamba is a creature that strikes fear into the hearts of those who cross its path. In the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, the king cobra reigns supreme. This majestic serpent is the world's longest venomous snake, reaching lengths of up to 18 feet. When threatened, it can raise up to a third of its body off the ground and spread its impressive hood. The king cobra's venom is primarily neurotoxic, causing paralysis and death. Despite its size and fearsome reputation, it prefers to avoid confrontation with humans. While snakes often dominate our nightmares, the world of spiders harbors equally deadly assassins. These 8-legged predators possess potent venoms that can inflict excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death. From the wandering spiders of South America to the widow spiders found worldwide, the world of arachnids is filled with fascinating and fearsome creatures. In this section, we explore the most dangerous spiders, their venomous capabilities, and the potential threat they pose to human health. The animal kingdom is a delicate balance of predator and prey, a constant dance of life and death. Among the most awe-inspiring creatures are the predatory animals, masters of stealth, speed, and raw power. From lions to tigers, crocodiles to bears, predatory animals command our attention and respect. Their hunting techniques are a testament to the power of natural selection. In this section, we explore their unique characteristics, hunting behaviors, and the reasons behind their dangerous reputation. Across the African savanna, the lion reigns supreme. Known for its thunderous roar and regal mane, the lion is a symbol of power and grace. Lions are social animals, living in prides and working together to hunt prey. They often hunt at night, using the tall grasses as cover to stalk their prey. While lions primarily hunt wild prey, they have been known to attack humans, particularly in areas where their natural prey is scarce. In the dense jungles of Asia, the tiger reigns supreme. Often referred to as the ghost of the jungle, the tiger is a master of camouflage. Tigers are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and cunning to ambush their prey. They are incredibly strong, with powerful legs and sharp claws that can deliver a fatal blow. Human-tiger conflict has become an increasing problem as human populations expand into tiger habitats. In the murky depths of rivers and lakes, crocodiles lurk as ancient predators. These reptilian giants have remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Crocodiles are ambush predators, spending much of their time submerged in water, waiting for an unsuspecting animal. While attacks on humans are relatively rare, they can be fatal due to the crocodile's powerful bite and lightning-fast reflexes. Section 5. Alligators, lords of the southern swamps. In the southeastern United States, another crocodilian reigns supreme, the American alligator, also known as Alligator mississippiensis. These formidable reptiles, with their armored bodies, powerful tails, and toothy grins, are a symbol of the South's wild side. Their presence is a reminder that danger can lurk beneath the surface of even the most serene-looking waters. Alligators are primarily found in freshwater habitats such as swamps, lakes and rivers, where they are apex predators. They feed on fish, turtles, snakes, birds and mammals. They are incredibly strong swimmers, using their powerful tails to propel themselves through the water with surprising speed and agility. Like crocodiles, alligators are ambush predators. They lie in wait beneath the water's surface with their eyes and nostrils just above the waterline, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting animal to wander within striking distance. They are masters of camouflage, their dark coloration blending seamlessly with the shadows and vegetation of their swampy homes. When an animal approaches, the alligator lunges forward with surprising speed, its powerful jaws snapping shut with incredible force. They often drag their victims underwater to drown them before consuming them whole or tearing them apart with their sharp teeth. While alligators are not as aggressive as their crocodile cousins, they have been known to attack humans, particularly when provoked or when their young are threatened. Section 6. Bears, gentle giants or fearsome predators. Across the forests and mountains of North America, Europe and Asia roam some of the most iconic and awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. Bears. These massive furry omnivores, with their lumbering gait and seemingly gentle nature, have captured the imagination of humans for centuries, inspiring both admiration and fear. Bears are incredibly adaptable animals, thriving in a wide range of habitats, from the Arctic tundra to temperate forests to tropical jungles. They are opportunistic feeders, consuming a variety of foods including berries, nuts, insects, fish and mammals, depending on the season and availability. Despite their often gentle demeanor, bears are powerful animals with sharp claws and teeth, capable of inflicting serious injury or death on humans. They are particularly dangerous when surprised, threatened, or when protecting their young. In this section, we delve into the world of bears, exploring their unique characteristics, behaviors, and the reasons behind their sometimes contradictory reputation as both gentle giants and fearsome predators. Section 7. Grizzly bears, masters of the North American wilderness. In the rugged, untamed wilderness of North America, from the Rocky Mountains to the Alaskan coast, roams a creature that embodies both the awe-inspiring power and the inherent danger of the natural world, the grizzly bear, also known as Ursus arctos horribilis. Grizzly bears are one of the largest land predators in North America, with males weighing up to 1,500 pounds. Their massive size and strength, combined with their sharp claws and teeth, make them formidable predators capable of taking down prey as large as moose and elk. Despite their size and predatory prowess, grizzly bears are omnivores. Their diet consists primarily of plants, berries, nuts, insects, and fish. They are particularly fond of salmon, which they catch during their annual spawning runs. Grizzly bears are solitary creatures, preferring to roam their vast territories alone, except during mating season or when raising cubs. They are highly intelligent animals with a keen sense of smell, excellent hearing, and surprising agility for their size. Encounters between grizzly bears and humans are relatively rare, as they tend to avoid areas with high human activity. However, when these encounters do occur, they can be dangerous, as grizzly bears are powerful animals that will defend themselves and their young if threatened. While the animal kingdom captivates us with its beauty and diversity, a hidden threat lurks within its midst: disease-carrying animals, often unseen and underestimated, yet capable of unleashing devastating epidemics that can cripple human populations and leave lasting scars on our history. These creatures, from the tiniest insects to larger rodents, act as vectors, transmitting pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and parasites that cause a wide range of diseases, some debilitating, some deadly. Unlike the immediate danger posed by venomous creatures or predatory animals, the threat from disease-carrying animals is often silent and insidious. These creatures don't rely on brute force or potent toxins, but on stealth and opportunity, their bites or stings often going unnoticed until the first symptoms of illness begin to manifest. Their success lies in their ability to exploit the interconnectedness of life, moving seamlessly between animal hosts and human populations, bridging the gap between the wild and the human world. Their presence in our homes, our communities, and our ecosystems underscores the delicate balance we share with the natural world and the potential consequences when that balance is disrupted. In this section, we delve into the world of these silent spreaders, exploring the biology behind disease transmission, the impact of these diseases on human health, and the ongoing efforts to control these vectors and mitigate their impact on our lives. Among the most prolific and deadly disease vectors on Earth are mosquitoes, tiny insects that have plagued humanity for millennia. These buzzing, biting pests, often considered mere annoyances, are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet, their delicate wings carrying a heavy burden of disease and suffering. Mosquitoes belong to the order Diptera, which also includes flies, and are found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in warm, humid environments, their populations exploding during rainy seasons and in areas with standing water where their larvae develop. Female mosquitoes are the ones responsible for transmitting diseases. They require a blood meal to produce eggs, and it is during this feeding process that pathogens are transmitted from infected hosts to new victims. Their saliva contains an anticoagulant that prevents blood from clotting, making it easier for them to feed, but it is this saliva that also serves as the vehicle for disease transmission. Mosquitoes are attracted to their victims by a variety of factors, including body heat, carbon dioxide in exhaled breath, and certain body odors. Once a mosquito lands on its target, it uses its proboscis, a long, needle-like mouthpart, to pierce the skin and locate a blood vessel. Malaria, a parasitic disease transmitted by the bite of infected mosquitoes, is one of the oldest and deadliest diseases known to humanity. Its name, derived from the Italian words malaria, meaning bad air, reflects the historical belief that the disease was spread through foul air, a misconception that persisted for centuries. It wasn't until the late 19th century that the true culprit, the Anopheles mosquito, was identified as the vector for this devastating disease. Malaria is caused by a single-celled parasite called Plasmodium, which infects red blood cells, causing a range of symptoms, including fever, chills, sweating, headache, muscle pain, and fatigue. In severe cases, malaria can lead to organ failure, coma, and death. The disease is most prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia, where the warm, humid climate provides ideal breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Every year, hundreds of millions of people are infected with malaria, and hundreds of thousands, mostly young children, die from this preventable and treatable disease. The fight against malaria has been a long and arduous one, with efforts focused on controlling mosquito populations through insecticide-treated bed nets, indoor residual spraying, and larval control measures. Advances in anti-malarial drugs have also significantly reduced mortality rates. But the disease remains a major public health challenge, particularly in resource-limited settings. Section 4. Dengue and Zika, emerging threats in a changing world. Dengue fever and Zika virus are emerging global health threats driven by urbanization and climate change. Dengue causes high fever, severe headache, and rash, while Zika is linked to birth defects. The Aedes mosquito thrives in urban areas, spreading these diseases rapidly. Public health officials face significant challenges in controlling the spread. Section 5. Rodents, agents of plague and peril. Rodents, those ubiquitous creatures that have long shared our homes and cities, are another group of animals that have played a significant role in shaping human history, often not for the better. These adaptable and resilient creatures, particularly rats and mice, have been responsible for spreading devastating plagues and carrying a multitude of diseases that continue to threaten human health today. Rats, in particular, have earned a notorious reputation as harbingers of disease, their presence often associated with filth, poverty, and decay. Their ability to survive and thrive in close proximity to humans, exploiting our food sources and shelter, has made them highly effective vectors for a range of pathogens. One of the most infamous diseases spread by rodents is the bubonic plague, a bacterial infection that ravaged Europe in the Middle Ages, killing millions and leaving an indelible mark on human history. The plague, caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, is primarily transmitted by fleas that infest rodents, particularly black rats. While the bubonic plague is no longer the devastating pandemic it once was, thanks to improved sanitation and antibiotics, it still occurs in parts of the world, serving as a reminder of the potential for rodent-borne diseases to re-emerge and threaten human health. Section 6. Ticks, small bloodsuckers, big threats. Ticks, tiny arachnids, are significant disease vectors posing threats to human and animal health. These bloodsuckers carry pathogens causing debilitating diseases. Ticks belong to the arachnida class, like spiders and mites. They are ectoparasites, living on hosts and feeding on blood. Ticks go through 4 life stages, requiring blood meals to develop. Found worldwide, ticks inhabit forests, grasslands, and urban parks. They thrive in humid, vegetated areas waiting for hosts. Ticks latch onto hosts, embedding in skin to feed on blood. They are not picky about hosts, aiding disease spread. Ticks transmit pathogens from animals like deer, mice, and birds to humans. Section 7. Lyme disease, the hidden epidemic, spreading through the undergrowth. Among the many diseases transmitted by ticks, Lyme disease stands out as a growing public health concern, particularly in North America and Europe. This bacterial infection, caused by the Spirochete Borrelia burgdorferi, can cause a wide range of debilitating symptoms that can persist for years if left untreated. Lyme disease is primarily transmitted by the black-legged tick, also known as the deer tick. These tiny ticks, often no bigger than a poppy seed in their nymph stage, are found in wooded areas, grassy fields, and even urban parks and gardens. The ticks acquire the bacteria that cause Lyme disease from infected animals, primarily white-footed mice. Humans become infected when an infected tick bites them and remains attached long enough to transmit the bacteria. Lyme disease is often called the great imitator because its symptoms can mimic those of many other diseases, making it difficult to diagnose. The most common early symptom is a distinctive bullseye rash that appears at the site of the tick bite, but not everyone develops this rash. Other early symptoms of Lyme disease can include fever, chills, headache, fatigue, muscle and joint aches, and swollen lymph nodes. If left untreated, Lyme disease can progress to later stages, causing more serious symptoms such as arthritis, heart problems, neurological disorders, and chronic fatigue. Section 1. The Ocean's Silent Menace. The ocean, a realm of vastness and mystery, holds an allure that has captivated humanity for centuries. Its depths conceal a breathtaking array of life, from microscopic plankton to gigantic whales, each species playing a crucial role in the intricate web of marine ecosystems. Yet beneath the surface of this mesmerizing world lies a hidden danger, a silent menace that demands our respect and caution: the ocean's dangerous creatures. Unlike the terrestrial world, where we can often see and hear danger approaching, the ocean's threats often lurk unseen, their presence betrayed only by a fleeting shadow, a ripple in the water, or a sudden, unexpected encounter. These creatures, armed with potent venoms, razor-sharp teeth, or crushing jaws, are not malicious predators seeking human prey, but rather inhabitants of a world where survival depends on instinct and adaptation. From the jellyfish with their trailing tentacles armed with stinging cells, to the stonefish camouflaged against the ocean floor, awaiting their unsuspecting prey, the ocean's dangerous inhabitants have evolved an arsenal of defenses and hunting strategies that have ensured their survival for millennia. Section 2. Box jellyfish, a deadly dance of tentacles and toxins. In the warm waters of Australia and the Indo-Pacific, the box jellyfish drifts silently. This ethereal creature, Chironex fleckeri, possesses one of the most potent venoms known to science. Its tentacles, extending up to 10 feet, are armed with millions of stinging cells called cnidocytes, each containing a nematocyst. When triggered, these nematocysts fire, injecting a potent cocktail of toxins into the victim. In the shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific, the stonefish lies in wait, blending seamlessly with the ocean floor. A master of disguise, it ambushes prey with lightning speed, using its venomous spines for defense. The venom causes intense pain, swelling, and paralysis, making the stonefish one of the most dangerous fish in the world. In the world's oceans, the pufferfish, or Tetraodontidae, is known for its unique defense mechanism and culinary appeal. It inflates its body when threatened and contains tetrodotoxin, a deadly neurotoxin. This toxin blocks nerve signals, causing paralysis and death. Despite this, pufferfish is a delicacy in Japan known as fugu. Preparing fugu requires years of training to avoid fatal poisoning. Sharks, with their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies, razor-sharp teeth, and predatory prowess, have long captured the human imagination, inspiring both awe and fear. Their reputation as mindless killing machines, fueled by Hollywood blockbusters and sensationalized media reports, has instilled a deep-seated fear of these creatures in the minds of many. However, the reality of sharks is far more nuanced and complex than their portrayal in popular culture. Sharks are cartilaginous fish, meaning their skeletons are made of cartilage rather than bone. They are found in all of the world's oceans, from the shallow coastal waters to the depths of the abyssal plain, and play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Sharks are highly adapted predators with keen senses, powerful jaws, and a remarkable ability to detect and track prey over long distances. Their sense of smell is particularly acute, allowing them to detect blood and other bodily fluids from miles away. They also possess electroreceptors, sensory organs that detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of their prey. Despite their fearsome reputation, shark attacks on humans are relatively rare. Most shark species are not aggressive toward humans, and will only attack if they feel threatened or if they mistake a human for their natural prey. In the warm, tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, a group of highly venomous reptiles has adapted to a life beneath the waves: sea snakes. These sleek, serpentine creatures, with their paddle-like tails and air-breathing lungs, are a testament to the power of evolution, their bodies and behaviors honed by millions of years of adaptation to a marine environment. Sea snakes are closely related to cobras and other venomous land snakes, and their venom is equally potent, containing a complex mixture of neurotoxins and myotoxins that target the nervous system and muscles. However, sea snakes are generally less aggressive than their terrestrial counterparts and are less likely to bite unless provoked or handled. Sea snakes are found in a variety of marine habitats, from coral reefs and rocky shores to open ocean, and their coloration and patterns often reflect their surroundings, providing effective camouflage. They feed mainly on fish, eels, and crustaceans, using their venom to subdue their prey before swallowing it whole. Unlike fish, which extract oxygen from the water using gills, sea snakes must surface regularly to breathe air. They are able to hold their breath for extended periods, up to an hour in some species, allowing them to dive to depths of over 300 feet in search of prey. The ocean, with its vastness, power, and hidden dangers, commands our respect and caution. While encounters with dangerous marine creatures are relatively rare, it is essential to be aware of the risks and to take appropriate precautions to minimize the likelihood of an incident. When entering the ocean, it is crucial to be aware of your surroundings and to heed any warning signs or advice from local authorities. Avoid swimming in areas known to be frequented by dangerous marine life, such as river mouths, areas with strong currents, and areas with large schools of fish, which can attract predators. When diving or snorkeling, it is essential to maintain neutral buoyancy and to avoid touching or disturbing marine life. Never corner or harass an animal, and always give it space to escape. Remember, you are a visitor in their world. If you're planning to swim or dive in areas known to be inhabited by dangerous marine creatures, consider wearing protective clothing such as a wetsuit or a stinger suit. These suits can provide a barrier against stings and bites. In the event of an encounter with a dangerous marine creature, remain calm and avoid making sudden movements. If you are stung or bitten, seek medical attention immediately, even if the injury seems minor. Our exploration of Earth's most dangerous animals has taken us deep into the realms of venomous creatures, stealthy predators, and silent disease carriers. We've encountered creatures whose very appearance evokes a primal fear, their deadly reputations preceding them like whispers on the wind. Yet the natural world holds surprises, and danger often lurks in the most unexpected of places. Beyond the familiar threats of venomous snakes, predatory cats, and disease-carrying insects lie a host of animals whose danger often stems not from specialized weapons or malicious intent, but from their sheer size, unpredictable nature, and our own misinterpretations of their behavior. These are the animals whose danger often lies hidden beneath a veneer of familiarity, their potential for harm underestimated until it's too late. In this section, we venture beyond the familiar, shedding light on creatures whose danger often goes unrecognized until a peaceful encounter turns deadly. We will explore the reasons behind their unpredictable behavior, the factors that contribute to human-wildlife conflict, and the importance of respecting the boundaries between our world and theirs. Section 2. African buffalo, the Black Death on hooves. The African buffalo, or Synxerus caffa, roams sub-Saharan Africa, commanding respect and caution. Often overshadowed by predators, the African buffalo is a force to be reckoned with, earning the moniker the Black Death. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 2,000 pounds, it's a formidable herbivore. Its large, curved horns form a deadly weapon when threatened. Unlike other herbivores, It relies on strength in numbers and a willingness to fight. Living in large herds, their collective strength makes them formidable opponents. Known for their unpredictable temperament, they may charge without warning. Their charges are full-on assaults, with horns aimed and hooves pounding. Among the most iconic and awe-inspiring creatures on Earth are elephants, those colossal herbivores that roam the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia. Their immense size, gentle nature, and complex social structures have captivated humans for centuries, inspiring both admiration and reverence. Yet, beneath their seemingly placid exterior lies a hidden temper, a potential for aggression that can turn these gentle giants into formidable and dangerous adversaries. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with African bush elephants reaching heights of up to 13 feet and weighing up to 14,000 pounds. Their size alone commands respect, but it is their intelligence, memory, and complex social bonds that truly set them apart from other animals. Elephants live in tightly knit herds led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female, who guides the herd in their search for food, water, and safe havens. These herds are not just random gatherings of individuals, but complex societies with strong family bonds, intricate communication systems, and a remarkable capacity for both empathy and grief. While elephants are generally peaceful animals, they are fiercely protective of their young and their herd members. When threatened, they will not hesitate to defend themselves and their families, using their immense size, powerful tusks, and surprisingly agile trunks to ward off danger. Section 4. Hippos, territorial tanks of the African waterways. In the rivers and lakes of sub-Saharan Africa, a creature of deceptive grace and surprising ferocity makes its home, the hippopotamus or hippopotamus amphibius. Often depicted as lumbering, even comical animals, hippos are in reality highly territorial and unpredictable creatures, responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal, surpassing even lions and crocodiles in their deadly toll. Hippos are the third largest land mammals after elephants and white rhinoceroses, with males weighing up to 9,900 pounds. Their barrel-shaped bodies, short legs, and thick hairless skin give them a deceptively cumbersome appearance. But hippos are surprisingly agile both on land and in the water. Despite their herbivorous diet, consisting mainly of grasses and aquatic plants, hippos are incredibly aggressive animals. Fiercely territorial and quick to defend their stretches of river or lake from any perceived threat, be it a rival hippo, a crocodile, or an unsuspecting human. Hippos are highly social animals, living in groups called pods or bloats, typically consisting of 10 to 30 individuals led by a dominant male. These pods spend much of their day submerged in water, their eyes, ears, and nostrils positioned just above the surface, allowing them to see, hear, and breathe while remaining cool and protected from the sun. Our journey into the world of Earth's most dangerous animals has taken us across continents, from the arid savannas of Africa to the lush rainforests of South America, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the Himalayas. We've encountered creatures whose very presence evokes a primal fear, their deadly reputations preceding them like whispers on the wind. We've witnessed the lightning-fast reflexes of venomous snakes, the stealthy hunting prowess of big cats, the silent spread of disease by tiny insects, and the unpredictable aggression of creatures often perceived as gentle giants. Yet, throughout our exploration, a crucial theme has emerged: the importance of respect, understanding, and conservation. The animals we've encountered are not monsters lurking in the shadows, seeking to harm humans. They are creatures driven by instinct, by the fundamental need to survive, to reproduce, and to thrive in their respective environments. Their dangerous behaviors are often defensive mechanisms, triggered by fear, territoriality, or the perceived threat to themselves or their young. As human populations expand and encroach upon wild habitats, encounters with dangerous animals are becoming increasingly common. We are encroaching upon their territories, disrupting their ecosystems and pushing them to the brink of extinction. The responsibility to coexist peacefully falls upon us. Our journey through the realm of Earth's most dangerous animals has been a captivating exploration of survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature. From the venomous serpents lurking in the undergrowth to the apex predators ruling their domains, we've encountered creatures whose very existence inspires both awe and apprehension. We've witnessed the silent menace of disease-carrying insects, the unpredictable power of herbivores often perceived as gentle giants, and the hidden dangers lurking beneath the ocean's surface. Yet throughout this exploration, a crucial theme has emerged: the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The animals we've encountered, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, do not exist in isolation. They are integral parts of intricate ecosystems, their lives intertwined with countless other species, including our own. Their presence, often perceived as a threat, is in reality a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. The venomous snakes we've encountered, for instance, play a crucial role in regulating rodent populations, preventing the spread of diseases and protecting our crops. The predators we've observed, often feared for their hunting prowess, help to maintain the health and balance of their ecosystems by controlling prey populations and preventing overgrazing. Our encounters with these creatures, while highlighting their potential for danger, have also underscored a fundamental truth: the importance of respect, understanding, and coexistence. The animals we've encountered are not inherently malicious or driven by a desire to harm humans. They are simply trying to survive, to navigate a world that is increasingly shaped by human activities. When we encroach upon their habitats, disrupt their ecosystems, or misinterpret their behaviors, we increase the likelihood of conflict and put both ourselves and these creatures at risk. The key to coexisting peacefully lies in recognizing and respecting their boundaries, acknowledging their right to exist, and taking steps to minimize our impact on their lives. This means being aware of our surroundings when venturing into nature, respecting wildlife warning signs, and adhering to guidelines set forth by park rangers and conservationists. It means keeping a safe distance from wild animals, refraining from feeding or approaching them, and understanding that even seemingly harmless interactions can have unintended consequences. It's crucial to remember that we are visitors in their world, and our presence should be respectful and unobtrusive. By practicing responsible wildlife tourism, supporting conservation efforts, and advocating for policies that protect natural habitats, we can help ensure the survival of these creatures and preserve the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. Our journey through the realm of Earth's most dangerous animals has not been a quest to demonize or eradicate these creatures, but rather to understand them, to appreciate their role in the web of life, and to learn how to coexist peacefully in a world we share. Knowledge, as we've discovered, is our most powerful tool in mitigating conflict and ensuring both human and animal well-being. By understanding the biology, behavior, and ecological importance of these creatures, we can dispel myths, overcome our fears, and make informed decisions that benefit both humans and wildlife. We can learn to identify venomous snakes and avoid encounters, recognize the warning signs of a predatory animal, and take steps to prevent the spread of diseases carried by insects and rodents. Conservation, too, is paramount. Many of the animals we've encountered are facing increasing threats from habitat loss, climate change, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for policies that protect natural habitats, and making conscious choices to reduce our ecological footprint, we can help ensure the survival of these creatures for generations to come. As we conclude our exploration of Earth's most dangerous animals, we are left with a profound sense of responsibility. We've witnessed the awe-inspiring power of nature, the delicate balance of ecosystems, and the interconnectedness of all living things. We've learned that respect, understanding, and conservation are not just abstract ideals, but essential principles for navigating our relationship with the natural world. The future of these creatures, and indeed our own, depends on our willingness to act as responsible stewards of this planet. We must move beyond fear and embrace knowledge, compassion, and a deep respect for all forms of life. We must recognize that our actions have far-reaching consequences and that even small changes in our behavior can have a ripple effect throughout the web of life. This is a call to action, an invitation to become guardians of a shared future, to use our voices and our actions to create a world where humans and wildlife can coexist in harmony. Let us embrace the challenge, spread the message of conservation, and work together to protect the incredible biodiversity of our planet for generations to come. The time to act is now, for the fate of Earth's most dangerous animals and our own hangs in the balance.